Hello and welcome to MINIPIM, the BigCommerce app by Epic Design Labs. In this video, I'm going to share my screen and show you guys how it works. All right, when you get in here, there's a couple main tabs: rules, payment, log, and contact. The payment is where you upgrade to get your rules to take effect. Rules is where you define the rules. Log is where you can see the rules actually doing their work. So let's go to a product and say, this is our product right here, replacement mat for Waterscapes BF1250. Let's say that we want to add a custom field that says what type of product this is. So imagine that this is for either something that you want to show on the product page, or maybe something that you want to affect your filters on your category pages so that people can filter just for replacement parts, right? So what we want to do is we want to create a custom field called part or product type. Let's say product type. Did I click the wrong thing? Let's say we want to create a custom field called product type with a value of replacement. So here's the way we would do that using MINIPIM. We would go to the rules tab. We would click create a rule. Either one of those does it. And when you open this up, it basically works with two things: triggers and actions. And this top section is where you define the trigger, the thing that makes the rule kick off. And then the action down here is what happens when it's triggered. Okay, so we're going to set up our trigger, and there's a whole bunch that you can choose from. Having to do with the brand, the title, the brand, a presence of a custom field, the category a product is in, all kinds of stuff. In this case, we're going to do a product title contains replacement, because that was in the product title up here, right? Right, so we want to say if a title contains the word replacement, then do this. Set a custom field if not present, and you want to read, for custom fields specifically, you want to read these two things and say, for the custom field outcome, make sure that you separate the name from the value with a colon, right? This other one is for if you are pairing custom fields up with a variant trigger. So that's not important to us right now. But what we want to do to set this custom field is say set custom field to product type is what we want the name to be. And let's put the value as replacement, product type replacement. So this will be the name, this will be the value. And then we choose when do we want this to run, manually or automatic. So automatic will run at regular intervals, maybe daily. Manual will run just when I tell it to. So I'm going to click manual, create rule, go back into the rules, and now you can see that the rule shows up and it gives us a run button. And so I'm going to go ahead and hit run. Now this can take a second or two. It could take up to a minute or two, depending on how many products you have that it's cycling through. But this is going to run manual, and you can read what the rule is to say that this is when a product's title contains replacement, set the custom field to product type replacement. You can look at this rule working right here. So it says that it's still working. After a couple minutes, you'll be able to go into rule log and see the actual rule working. Now you can also investigate the log. This will actually show you all of the logs from all of your rules, right? But once it's all done, you'll be able to come back into your product and go down to the custom fields. I'm going to just click refresh real quick. Go down to custom fields. There it is already. So product type replacement. Now, obviously, it's not hard to do this for one product, but imagine you have 1,000 products that all need this at the same time. So this can be a way to, run batches to augment your products. It can also, using the automatic portion of the rule set, be something that keeps your products always working this way, right? So if you added more products down the road that had the word replacement in the title, it would automatically get this custom field if you had set it to automatic. So there are a bunch of triggers here already available, including title, brand, custom field, category, description, price, creation date, and then modifiers, variants, and meta fields. You can trigger it based on all kinds of stuff. And then the items that you can, or the actions that you can do, you can set a brand, you can set a custom field, you can add it to a category, remove it from a category, add stuff to the title, add stuff to the description, either before and after. There's going to be more triggers, more actions coming up, but these are the ones that are present at the time of this video. That's pretty much how you work MINIPIM. It's just a matter of setting rules, seeing the logs, making your products better. Thank you.